All right, this is a real life example of a DK5320 Kioti lifting a pallet of net wrap at an idle. Tires are filled in the back. Seems to pick it up without an issue. Okay, that definitely didn't like it. Yeah, the DK is definitely lighter than the NS. All right, this is a real life test of an NS4710 Kioti at an idle lifting up a pallet of net wrap. No problem. Tires are filled in the back. There, it's getting a little bit light. Well, he's lowering it, but it's handling it no problem. So you can see it's feeling it, but it's handling it pretty well. This is the DK here. We added about 400 pounds to the front, so we're about 1,900 pounds, probably plus or minus a little bit. And you can see it getting light in the back end. If you go over a bump or shake it too much, it's definitely coming off. And here's the DK again with the extra weights on, seeing if we can pick it up off the top pallet. Seeing if we can pick it up off the bottom pallet. So we're definitely getting some air. Yeah, definitely getting some air on this one. All right, this is the NS at idle. Rear tires filled again and some extra weights on the front to make about 1,900 pounds. It's definitely close to maxed out, but it's a lot more stable than the DK. I think you'll do it. So you can see it getting a little bit light, but it is very stable compared to the DK with the same amount of weight on it. Well, I think it's safe to say the DK is a little bit lighter than the NS. How do you feel sitting on the seat?
Taking this off from here I would not have been able to do it.
Right.
As soon as I started moving, I could feel this frame twisting and coming into that place of rollover.
Yep.
There's no way I'm going to lift that off.
Yeah, as soon as you got up off, we saw the tires spinning when you were trying to back up.
That's correct.
Yep.
So,
and the NS picked it up on here no problem, which is typically harder to do than lowering it down from a trailer or from another pallet or something. So
yep.
I would say definitely a lot more capable on the NS end, just being a little more stout of a tractor, a little heavier, and able to lift a little bit more, make you a little more stable.
Absolutely.
Hopefully that helps.